How hackers can access security cameras. Hey guys, and welcome to Ore Technologies. I'm an ethical hacker and a penetration tester, and in today's video, we are going to dive into something that could leave your home or business vulnerable. How hackers can gain access to your security cameras without you even knowing. And yes, you could be one of the owners at risk of this kind of attack. By taking control of a security camera system, hackers can access sensitive information and even launch more dangerous attacks. Depending on where your camera is, they could be watching your family, identifying valuables, or even eavesdropping on private conversations. Stick around until the end because I'll show you how to protect yourself from these types of attacks. Today, we're going to hack into a security camera system. But before I do anything, let me clarify that I haven't modified any setting on this camera. I'm using it just like it came out of the box. I'm also assuming you have already gained access to the network. I'll be using Kali Linux for this demo because it comes with all the tools we need. Let's open up the terminal and get started. First, we need to gather some basic information about our target camera, like its IP address, MAC address, and possibly the manufacturer's name. We'll use a tool called ARP Scan to scan the network for connected devices. By the way, you can find your network interface name using the ifconfig command. In this case, I'll use LAN0 because I'm connected through this network adapter. Now, let's hit enter and see what we get. Alright, we have found the target. It's security camera system named QC. Let's Google that to confirm. Yep, this is a security camera system from a company called QC. Now, let's move on and scan for open ports on this device. This is where the fun starts. We'll use the Nmap tool to scan for open ports on the camera. Think of open ports as unlocked doors or windows to a hacker. Each open port is an opportunity for attack. Let's see what ports are open. In this case, we have got ports 85, 554 and 49152 open. Let's focus on port 85 first, which is running HTTP. Look at that. We have hit a remote login page. But here's the catch. A lot of people never change the default username and password. So instead of exploiting vulnerabilities, let's see if we can guess the login credentials. Quick Google search and boom. The default username is admin and the password is admin as well. Let's give it a try. Boom. We are in. I can control this entire camera system as an admin. From here, I could redirect the footage to an external server I control or even set it up to broadcast online. This is a major security risk for anyone with weak security practices. Next, let's look at another open port, port 554, which is used for streaming. This is where things get interesting. Port 554 uses RTSP, real-time streaming protocol, to stream the camera feed. So let's connect to it with VLC Media Player. Here we go. I have entered the RTSP address and now we can access the camera feed remotely. Even though we cannot control the camera like we could with HTTP access, we can still view it. And that's a huge security issue. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and share it with your friends. Stay safe and I'll see you in the next video.